So, mo tún kí ẹ̀yin akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ pé ṣe dáadáa ni. How are you doing? This is Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Taiwo. This is where we teach ourselves how to speak, how to write, and how to communicate in Yoruba language. Once again, my name is Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Taiwo. What's our topic for today? Anyways, we are reading today. Today is story time. Mo mọ̀ pé gbogbo yín lẹ máa fẹ́ràn láti gbọ́ ìtàn láti ẹnu Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Táíwò. Ó dà bẹ́ẹ̀. Fún ìdí èyí, kí ni ó máa jẹ́ àwọn àfojúsùn wa? Àfojúsùn wa tèmi ni pé lẹ́yìn ètò ìkọ́ni tí òní, akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yóò lè ka ìtàn náà ní àkàyé àti àkàgbádùn. Bákan náà ni ẹ ó lè sọ àwọn ẹ̀kọ́ tí ó wà nínú ìtàn náà, tí ẹ sì tún lè sọ ìtumọ̀ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ eléyìí tí ó ta kókó. Those are difficult words. Now, the topic of our story is àánú ṣíṣe. That's compassion. Compassion. Okay? Ìtàn náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ báyìí. Ẹ máa bá mi kà lọ. Olú àti Ayọ̀ jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́. You can see Olú, you can see Ayọ̀. They are friends. Olú and Ayọ̀ are friends. Okay? Ìyá Olú ra pẹ́ńsù púpọ̀ fún Olú. Meaning, Olu's mother bought him many pencils. You can see Olu's mother. She was trying to give Olu many pencils. And tí mọ́mí bá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ra nǹkan fún wa, when your mom just bought you something new, you will appreciate her. Mommy, thank you. So we can see that Olu was appreciating his mother. Let's see, kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́yìn tí ìyá Olú ra pẹ́ńsù púpọ̀ fún Olú? Okay? Wow! Ayọ̀ kò ní pẹ́ńsù rárá. Ayọ̀ kò ní pẹ́ńsù rárá. That means Ayọ̀ does not have a pencil. Whereas Olu's mother bought him many pencils. Oh, okay. That's life for you. Someone has many things and another person will not have any. Ilé ayé nìyẹn o. Kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Ayọ̀? Okay. Olùkọ́ béèrè bóyá Olú lè yá Ayọ̀ ní pẹ́ńsù. Olú sọ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. That is, the teacher asked if Olú can lend Ayọ̀ a pencil. And what was the response of Olú? He said, yes, why not? I have many pencils. I will borrow Ayọ̀ one of those pencils. Wow, you can see that's good. Okay, olùkọ́ pàṣẹ kí àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ pàtẹ́wọ́ fún Olú. That means the teacher asked other pupils to clap for Olú because Olú has done so well. Olú was compassionate. Olú is merciful. He has shown that to Ayọ̀, his friend, by giving him one of his pencils. And Ayọ̀ was very glad. This was very, very interesting. And you can see the teacher asked other people to applaud Olú. Wow, what happened? Olú àti Ayọ̀ ṣe iṣẹ́ wọn dáradára. That is, you can see Ayọ̀ was excited, can do his work now. Olú was happy too. Olú and Ayọ̀, they did their work excellently. Wow. Olú àti Ayọ̀ fẹ́ràn ara wọn. Olú and Ayọ̀ loved themselves. Wow, what a story. Ó dára láti ṣe àánú. That is, it is good to be compassionate. When you see someone that needs help, you should assist them, you should help them. Anything you can share with them, you can do that. And as you are doing that, others will be happy and the society will be great at large. So this is the summary of the story. I will read it once and I want you also to read because there are going to be questions for you to answer. Olú àti Ayọ̀ jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́. Ìyá Olú ra pẹ́ńsù púpọ̀ fún Olú. Ayọ̀ kò ní pẹ́ńsù rárá. Olùkọ́ béèrè bóyá Olú lè yá Ayọ̀ ní pẹ́ńsù. Olú sọ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Olùkọ́ pàṣẹ kí àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ pàtẹ́wọ́ fún Olú. Olú àti Ayọ̀ ṣe iṣẹ́ wọn dáradára. Olú àti Ayọ̀ fẹ́ràn ara wọn. Ó dára láti ṣe àánú. So I want you also to read the story. I want you to read this passage carefully. I will give you some minutes, then we answer the questions. You send it to me. So your time starts now. Read this question. Read this passage. Read this story. 1, 2, go. All right. Okay, fine. At least you can also read more about the story later. So what are the moral lessons from the story? Ó dára láti máa ṣe àánú. It is good to be merciful, to be compassionate, especially to others. Fẹ́ràn ẹnìkejì rẹ, that you should love your neighbor as yourself. Ta ni ó fẹ́ràn ẹnìkejì rẹ̀ bí? You can see Olú ló fẹ́ràn Ayọ̀ tó jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀. Ó dára kí a fẹ́ràn àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ wa. You can see both friends, Olú and Ayọ̀, they love themselves by sharing what they have, by showing mercy to each other. So àwa náà mo fẹ́ kí a kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ lára ìtàn náà. So àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó ta kókó lélẹ̀. Kí ni ìtumọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́? Ọ̀rẹ́ means friend. Pencil means pencil. Olùkọ́, that's teacher. Akẹ́kọ̀ọ́, student or pupils. Àánú means mercy or compassion. Okay. So these are the questions for you to answer. Don't forget you should send your answers to Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Taiwo, and Ọ̀gbẹ́ni will mark and get back to you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our page, Èdè Yorùbá pẹ̀lú Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Taiwo. This is where we're going to stop for today. Don't forget, I'll be expecting your answers. Read this passage, read the story, and answer this question and get back to me. All right, see you all the time. Bye.